Welcome to our guide on understanding the complex yet vibrant business environment of Turkey. Situated at the crossroads of two continents, Turkey's unique position fosters a blend of cultures, economies, and opportunities. This melting pot creates an intricate landscape for entrepreneurs aiming to navigate, start, or grow their ventures. In this opening segment, we journey through Turkey's economic vistas, focusing not just on the numbers, but on the cultural heartbeat that influences market dynamics. Recognizing and weaving cultural understanding into your business approach can unlock significant opportunities in Turkey. We'll provide an overview of the economic strengths, global trade role, and the nuances of business etiquette in Turkey. Equipped with insights into the business culture, legal framework, and market entry strategies, complemented by success stories, this guide lays down a solid foundation for your business undertakings in Turkey. Understanding this groundwork is vital in mastering the art of doing business in this enthralling country. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each segment. Understanding the subtleties of Turkish business culture is critical for success in Turkey's cross-continental market. Central to thriving in Turkey is the art of building strong personal connections. These relationships, rooted in trust and mutual respect, enable successful collaborations and negotiations. Acknowledging the hierarchical nature of Turkish companies and the centralized decision-making is crucial. Showing sensitivity to these dynamics can significantly open up opportunities. Preparation, punctuality, appropriate dressing, and genuinely engaging with Turkish culture and business practices can significantly enhance your standing in meetings. This emphasis on building lasting partnerships paves the way as we explore legal frameworks and market entry strategies next. Adapting to and embracing Turkey's business culture is your stepping stone toward success in this vibrant market. Venturing into Turkey's business world introduces a domain brimming with possibilities. Key to navigating this environment successfully is understanding Turkish commercial law, which acts as our guiding map. This legal framework, dense with regulations, is pivotal in forming a resilient business entity. It's more than compliance. It's about leveraging this knowledge to gain a competitive edge. Choosing the correct business entity, understanding tax obligations, and utilizing incentives are crucial steps towards establishing and thriving. These foundations not only ensure your venture's fiscal well-being and regulatory adherence, but also prepare you for significant growth in Turkey's dynamic economy. With a solid grasp of the legal landscape, we're positioned to examine successful market entry strategies next, preparing you to navigate and capitalize on Turkey's market potential. Selecting an effective market entry strategy is crucial in Turkey's dynamic market environment. A clear understanding and strategic use of local partnerships lay the groundwork for success. The right entry strategy, adapted to the unique Turkish market, whether through joint ventures, direct investments, or alliances, is akin to finding a key to unlocking the market's potential. Successful stories in Turkey highlight the importance of local knowledge and alliances. These not only help overcome initial barriers, but also provide deep market insights. Through these partnerships, companies have navigated Turkey's complex market landscape successfully. As we move forward, remember that a thorough understanding of cultural and legal intricacies strengthens your market strategy. Stay tuned as we explore the frameworks supporting successful business ventures in Turkey. Reflecting on the journey across Turkey's business landscape, we see that ambition, fueled by inspiration, is essential for success. The triumphs of those who ventured into Turkey's complex market serve as guiding lights for future entrepreneurs. From these success stories, we draw essential learnings: the importance of cultural insight, navigating legal frameworks, and executing strategic market entries. These pillars, extensively discussed throughout our guide, form the crux of thriving in Turkey's economy. For those ready to embark on their entrepreneurial journey in Turkey, the path forward involves deepening your understanding and leveraging available resources. With these insights, you're well equipped for the journey ahead. Let the success stories inspire you, the lessons learned guide you, and your ambition drive you. Welcome to the exciting endeavor of doing business in Turkey.